Classrooms don't have to be lecture theatres and study rooms.
At least not on our campuses.
Love getting real-world experience.
That'll help us nail that dream job.
Design and build whatever you need for your projects.
Or create and express yourself in space you can call your own.
We have some of the best technology available.
And there's no chance you'll be overlooked in our inspiring classes.
What better way to learn the art of hospitality
than by experiencing the food service itself from pasture to plate.
Gain hands-on experience during internships.
or through our industry partnerships like Dunedin Wildlife Hospital.
We learn our trade by doing.
And having state-of-the-art tools, equipment and machinery gets us ready for the job.
Te Pā Tauira, our Dunedin Student Village is a home away from home.
And of course, we have flexible options to fit studying around your lifestyle.
We are committed to sustainability to make a real difference in the world.
And we'll continue to minimise our environmental impact.
We are proud to be Rainbow Tick certified.
And support our students and staff to be their authentic selves.
Surround yourself with like-minded people.
Get access to the best equipment,
new technologies, and world-class teaching.
Join us for fun, friends, community and support.